Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho CRM Connector for CSCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to select Zoho CRM account domain. Now, copy the redirect URI from here, click the Generate Client ID and Secret button present at top of the page. It will open the Zoho login page. Log in with your account. If this is your first app, then click Get Started button, otherwise you will see the Add Client, so click that. Select server-based applications in client type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now, click Generate Tokens button present in module setting. Now, select the Zoho CRM organizations which will be used to sync the data and click Submit. Now, click Accept. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which CSCart orders will sync to Zoho CRM. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of CSCart orders that will be synced to Zoho CRM. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration, module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Go to the website then Zoho CRM menu and you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from CSCart to Zoho CRM. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. So let's see them in Zoho CRM. See customers are present in Zoho CRM. The sync process is same for products and orders also. We have already synced the products and orders also. The list is present in Sync Products and Sync Orders menu. Let's see them in Zoho CRM also. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.